In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to find all the free courses available on Coursera. If you've been curious about how to dive into the wealth of knowledge that Coursera offers without spending a dime, then you've come to the right place. Coursera, as you might know, is a popular online learning platform offering a wide variety of courses from universities and organizations worldwide. And the good news is there are plenty of courses that you can take without having to worry about the cost. Let's get started by navigating to the Coursera homepage. Once there, you'll notice a section specifically dedicated to free courses. It's actually pretty easy to find. Just take a moment to scroll down the page and you'll start to see some free course options. If you're feeling curious and want to explore even more options, there's a handy Show More button you can click. This will expand the selection, giving you a broader view of what's available for free and could uncover some hidden gems you might not have seen at first glance. For those who are keen on seeing a comprehensive list of every free course currently available, there's a more direct path. Simply head to the upper left corner of the homepage and click on Explore. From the drop-down menu, select Browse Free Courses. This option is gold for anyone wanting to delve deeply into the plethora of free courses Coursera has to offer. As you scroll through the list, you'll notice that there are multiple pages, so don't forget to navigate through to page 2 and beyond for a full view of all your options. Another quick and effective method is right there on the homepage. In the search bar, type in the word free and hit enter. This simple action will bring up a list of courses that are available at no cost, and it's as simple as that. By doing this, you can quickly find courses that align with your interests without wading through content that isn't free. Now, when you find a course that piques your interest, click on it to see more detailed information. You'll find an overview, syllabus, and even reviews from past learners. If everything checks out and you're ready to start learning, enrolling is just a few clicks away. The process is straightforward and hassle-free, letting you start your learning journey in no time. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and hit subscribe so you never miss future videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.